Hi guys, welcome back. Today's October the 15th, blue sky, calm before the storm I think. We've got a load of wet weather coming in next week. Just a short one now, I've got a mail call. So these were sent to me, this was sent to me by a lady called Pauline. In response to a video put up a week or two ago when I was having a clean up and I was talking about the Pongo beans. I was kind of raving on about them that were sent to me by Bill and Val, and Pauline was quite interested, so I sent her some, and in return she said she would do a sort of seed exchange. Oh wow. So she says, "Hi Woody, enclosed are Greek Gigantes Beans." So where are we, if you can see that. And Carlin Peas. I did read up, I'd never actually heard of those, and I'd read up a little bit, and I actually think they're like a heritage pea. They grow up to about 6 foot tall, I think, something. So, wow, that is brilliant. And apparently these are, which way am I going? Very popular in the Mediterranean. I can't wait to grow both of those actually. Instructions enclosed for the Carlin peas. The Greek beans will grow very tall, so you need a strong support. Happy growing in 2022. Best wishes, Pauline. That's amazing. So she's even enclosed, here's the instructions for the Carlin peas. Apparently they do have a long history, going back to the 17th century. So Pauline, once again, thank you so much. I really do appreciate that, it's wonderful, and hope that you enjoy growing the Pongo beans as much as I have. Right guys, that's it for now. I'm off down the plot, take advantage of this fine weather, so I'll catch you later. Bye for now.